Think you can't make money while you sleep? Wrong. In just a moment, I'll show you the secret to earning passive income with Amazon affiliate marketing, even if you're a complete beginner. Miss this, and you might as well say goodbye to your easiest chance at making money online. Stay tuned. Imagine turning every click into cash, where every share you make and every link you post transforms into a steady stream of income flowing directly into your bank account. That's the power of Amazon's affiliate program, a gem in the world of passive income. In the heart of Amazon's sprawling online marketplace lies an opportunity for you. Yes, you, to grab a slice of the profits without the hassles of stocking products, dealing with customer service, or shipping logistics. How, you ask? Through the simple yet brilliant structure of affiliate marketing. Amazon's affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associates, is your gateway to monetizing the content you create. Whether you run a blog, manage a website, or even if you're a social media influencer, this program is your ticket to earning commissions by recommending products found on Amazon. And here's the kicker: signing up is as easy as pie. With just a few clicks, you can start your venture into the world of affiliate marketing. But as with all great things, there's a bit of nuance to grasp. Commission rates can range widely, from a modest 1% to an enticing 10%, depending on product categories. Electronics might net you a cool 5%, while luxury beauty products can ramp that up to 10%. Understanding these rates is crucial because it influences what products you decide to endorse. Navigating Amazon's rules and maintaining eligibility might sound daunting, but it's all about playing smart. Amazon wants you to succeed because when you make money, they make money. It's a partnership built on mutual benefits, but governed by guidelines designed to ensure the best shopping experience for Amazon's customers. This means producing genuine, valuable content that guides users to make informed purchasing decisions. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Now, I bet you're wondering, how do I choose the right products to promote? Or, what strategies can I use to maximize my earnings? Well, what if I told you that the answers to those questions could significantly boost your affiliate marketing game? Would you be interested in uncovering the strategies that top affiliates use to pull in six-figure incomes passively? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's kickstart your affiliate marketing journey together. Picture turning your love for browsing Amazon into a steady stream of income. Sounds pretty great, right? That's the power of Amazon's affiliate program. But how do you transform from an everyday user to a top-earning affiliate? The secret lies in strategic promotion and knowing which products to spotlight. It starts with content creation. Envision this: you come across a product that blows your mind. Why keep it to yourself? Share your experience in a compelling product review. Highlight what makes it unique, who would love it, and why it's worth their money. This authenticity not only builds trust, but also curiosity among your audience. Next up, SEO, or in other words, getting your content seen without spending a dime. Keywords are your best friends here. Think about what your audience is typing into Google or even Amazon's search bar. Those search terms should be woven seamlessly into your reviews, blog posts, or videos. It's like leaving breadcrumbs that lead right to your content. But why stop there? Leverage the power of social media, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or even Pinterest. These platforms are goldmines for reaching potential click-throughs. Share snippets of your content, engage in meaningful conversations, and perhaps run a few ads if you're feeling adventurous. The key is to be where your audience hangs out. Choosing the right products is just as crucial. It's tempting to promote high-ticket items for bigger commissions. But if it doesn't align with your audience's interests or needs, you might as well be talking to a wall. Dig deep into your niche, understand what makes your audience tick, and recommend products they'll genuinely appreciate. It's about adding value to their lives in a way that feels natural, not forced. Have you started to think about which Amazon products align with your passions and how you could turn that into engaging, enticing content for your audience? What's one product you're excited to share with your followers? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts.